thought I'd do this short video to help people that are considering buying an Akrapovic exhaust for their Porsche 911. When we decided we were going to do this to our 911, I did the usual and tried to hunt YouTube to try and find sound bites of what it was going to sound like afterwards, and I really struggled to find anything that was useful. So we just thought we'd put this short video together with a compilation of the install process up at Peron and also some sound bites of what it sounded like before and after.